Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best wireless doorbell options for enhanced home security. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Tuya Smart 1080p Wi-Fi Doorbell. Tuya Smart's 1080p Wi-Fi doorbell integrates a peephole camera with night vision. It provides video intercom functionalities and enhances home security with private house surveillance capabilities. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. WSDCAM Wi-Fi Door Peephole Camera. WSDCAM offers a Wi-Fi door peephole camera equipped with a 4.3-inch LCD screen. With a wide 137 degrees viewing angle and night vision capability, it enhances home security through video intercom features. At number 3. iCam 365 Wi-Fi Camera Door Peephole. iCam 365 presents a 2.4G Wi-Fi door peephole camera with a 1080p resolution. The iCam 365 app facilitates easy monitoring, and its automatic sensing feature adds convenience to wireless doorbell use at home. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Tuya Smart Video Doorbell. Tuya Smart's video doorbell features waterproofing and night vision functionalities. Its 1080p FHD camera ensures high-quality video, while its digital visual intercom connects seamlessly via Wi-Fi for enhanced home security. At number 1. Awapow 3.5-inch Peephole Doorbell Camera. Awapow offers a 3.5-inch peephole doorbell camera with a 120 degrees viewing angle. It serves as a smart home outdoor monitor, providing digital door viewing capabilities.